All right, I just got the two new amiibos, and I'm not an amiibo collector, but I'm a huge Zelda fan, and especially if a game that I love comes out with stuff like this, I'll end up getting it. Now, just to have, if you haven't seen my other videos, I have these mini amiibo cards, so I don't really collect amiibos, but um, Tears of the Kingdom is something else. So I had to get these, and what I really want. Oh, by the way, I love my 3DS XL that I got. If you haven't seen my video, the Japanese one I got, modded it, made it a US version. Got it for cheap. Anyways, and my favorite game of all time. That's right. Um, so are these worth getting? Like, this is the question I want to answer, especially for those that don't collect amiibos but maybe love Zelda. GameStop was doing a deal, $5 off, $15 or more. I think it's still going on for a couple more days or something. So I ordered these. I got this for 10 bucks, and this came out to 15 after the $5 off. Anyways, I'll tell you what. At first glance, this Ganondorf one, it is sick. It looks beautiful, man. Really detailed. I mean, look at the art. And the Zelda one's nice. Again, just first glance, but if you're gonna get one, that's the Ganondorf one is real nice. But I had to get them because I love this game. So let's open it up and see how it is. Oh man, this is nice. Hold on here, look at this. I'm getting my first glimpse here. You know, this is like the Wind Waker Ganondorf. It's got a little bit of that, a little bit of Twilight Princess going on here. This is beautiful. This is worth it. Look at the eyes. The what do you call it? The jewelry, real nice touch. I mean, look at this thing. The hair's in the wind, cape is in the wind. That reminds me of the carpet from Aladdin. What's going on over here? There's the foot. And this is like, the floor is like a desert type, you know? But yeah, man, this is nice. The sword. Yeah. Yeah. This is worth it. This one is real nice. Get closer here. Beautiful. All right. Let's take a look at Zelda. And you know what I really like? The sword. The sword is decayed and very nice detail. But yeah, let me open it up and see. See the thing though, like what this unlocks is what? Just a cape or a paraglider thing and a sword? Like, come on, man. Gotta do better than that. But I mean, that's not really what I got it for. I got it because I got all this Zelda stuff because I love this game and I want to have like the complete thing of it. You know what I mean? I'm just a dork like that. So anyways, let me open this up. Let's see. This one is very detailed too. It's smaller than the Ganondorf one, but it also costs less. I do like the colors a lot. And the floor is an emblem of, so like a Triforce. But I like this floor better. It's themed. This is just like Link, but it makes sense, you know? Anyways, let me take this out. That is nice. And she's like floating, you know? Yeah, I like the colors. It's very detailed, very detailed. That is nice. I'm gonna also turn off the flash. Hello. Uh, to get another look too without flash on. But there's movement in her hair, and again the sword is the master sword is half decayed, half healed. And if you put them next to each other, let me turn this low for a second. Yeah. That is cool, man. That is cool. Especially if you love the game. You know? Okay, let me turn off the flash. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, you can't see it as good. But yeah, I mean, this is awesome. The trio. So in conclusion, let's say you don't collect Amiibo. Is it worth getting? If you're a Zelda fan, hell yeah, it is. It is worth getting. And if you only get one, it's probably gonna have to be Ganondorf. But honestly, you should get all three. I mean, they gotta be together. You know what I mean? Anyways, on a side note, rumors about a remake of the greatest game of all time, Ocarina of Time, coming to either Switch or Switch 2. Man, I hope it's true. Give it that Final Fantasy VII remake treatment, you know? I would be in heaven. Anyways, thank you for joining me. And, yeah, it's the bottoms. See you next time. Bye.